Welcome to DC TechNet, which is your own channel. So do like, share and subscribe. It will only take 2 seconds to click on that subscribe button. It definitely motivates us to create new content. Today we are super excited to give you the first glimpses of Windows Server 2025, which is the next release in the Microsoft Windows Server family. So let us look at some of the new features which are on the table in Windows Server 2025. These are not all the new features, these are some of the new features which we experimented and explored. So Microsoft is coming up with a completely new licensing model in Windows Server 2025. It will be a subscription based licensing and definitely an improved Active Directory functional level, new PowerShell modules in 2025, SMB over QUIC, and AI based management, new security enhancements, Windows Server vNext. This is one of the features which is therein, which was introduced in 2022. It's continued in 2025. Next generation Active Directory and SMB, improved storage performance and flexibility, and the most awaited feature, or the feature which I liked, is ARC enabled hot patching. So we will discuss hot patching in our upcoming sessions. Rather, we will discuss all the new features in our upcoming sessions. Now just stay tuned to Windows Server 2025. Now, as a Windows admin, we should also know the end of support for the current operating systems. So let's focus on when does Windows Server 2019 end of life. So the mainstream support already ended on January 9th, 2024, and the extended support will end on January 9th, 2029. This is for Windows Server 2019. So as an administrator now, we have to think of upgrading these servers. Let's talk about Windows Server 2022 now, end of life. So the mainstream support will end on October 13th, 2026, and the extended support will end on October 14th, 2031. So this is what is all about for Windows Server 2022. So let's see some of the glimpses of Windows Server 2025. So this is when we install Windows Server 2025. We get 2 editions. Right now there are 2 editions, Standard and Data Center. And this is the system properties, about system. So I've installed Windows Server 2025 Standard Edition. And if you see over here, OS build is 26,000. And this is the pure desktop, after installing Windows Server 2025. So we are still exploring and experimenting on Windows Server 2025. As soon as we find something new, something amazing, definitely we will come up with a video on Windows Server 2025. First, our plan is to start with Active Directory and then move on to the other features. So I hope you have enjoyed today's introductory session on Windows Server 2025, and see you in the next session. Have a great day.